Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nasimio, and the name of my YouTube channel is called Life with Nasimio. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. God bless you so much. So on today's video, it's just about cleaning. I had visitors for 3 weeks, and they went yesterday. So what I'm going to do now is to clean the house. Yesterday what I did, I had already swept the house. It's not that bad. I swept so that today on Sunday I'll be able to clean, mop it everywhere, the bedrooms, the living room, everywhere. So let's continue. You see the rest of the work I'll be doing. Today I managed to clean the utensils. I only swept the floor and cleaned the utensils. The utensils I cleaned because I didn't want to sleep with dirty utensils. Yeah, there were so many of them. So these sufurias, I don't know, these pots. And this one I drank tea yesterday after finishing cleaning everything. Yeah, you see, I left them to dry. Here we have salty water. That's why the pots are looking like this. We have salty water, so I don't know what I'll do. Even the sufuria themselves, they are heavy. So if you try to clean, that's how it's coming. The dot. We have water salty. So that's how it is. I cleaned, and that's my plate for yesterday. Yesterday I was tired. I didn't finish. They only left with that one plate of mine, and I said I will do it later. So the shopping is not there, so we will do shopping later, not today. I'm not in a hurry to do shopping in this house since I'm alone. Yeah, I managed to put some plates, to wash all these plates at least yesterday, and I arranged them so that they don't break. Yeah. So here I'm in the visitors room. Yeah, at least my sister spread the bed yesterday before she left, when she was living here. So that's my daughter's bed. What I did, I just removed the sheets and the pillowcases. So I'll remove everything, the duvet, the sheets, the cover mattress. Yeah, so yeah, at least here I swept yesterday to remove the dirt. Yeah, so I'll come back with another video to show you how I've cleaned and I've arranged the house well. The mats also need to be cleaned. All the mats, I've removed them. You see now, look at my laundry area. All those need to be washed. Yeah, I need to wash all those. This time I wash them, those mats, in washing machine. I don't want to give myself stress. And also I will arrange this place. Yeah, you see how it looks like. So since I'm alone now, I've gone back to my life. I will arrange everything. Yeah. The house also I swept. Yeah. I swept the house and I arranged it. So still not clean, but just sweeping. Yeah. So I swept. That's how it looks like for now. I will come back with another video to show you how I've cleaned. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you. God bless. You see, that's my table. Yesterday I was removing everything from the bag. Yeah. So stay tuned. I'll come back with another video to show you how clean the house looks like. At least I swept. Yeah. At least I swept. It doesn't look that bad. Yeah. At least I swept. So see you on the next video. I see you. I'll come back when the house is now clean. Thank you. I'm just warming my coffee and I eat my spaghetti breakfast. I don't want to warm it in the microwave, so I just want to warm it like this so that it becomes hot before. You see, everything is empty. Yeah, but I'm not in a hurry of doing shopping since I'm alone. And yeah, there's no money right now for shopping. So yeah, that's how the current situation of my fridge. The visitor have gone. Everything is finished. The fridge was very full. Now just remain with beans, 2 sausages, and saka traditional burger. Yeah. So, have you ever eaten a food that leftover food? So this is my current situation. I love this. This is going to be very delicious. Yeah. This will be very delicious. My tea is now ready. Let's see, all this need to be washed. All this. I have my clothes here. My daughter's clothes and visitors. I have towel there, visitor's towel. I have my towel here. My daughter's towel. Look at those rags. So I have a lot to do today. But I'm not gonna stress myself. I'll not do everything. Yeah. I'll just do little by little until I finish. Sometimes if you give yourself hard time, you're the one who is becoming tired. Not even the clothes. But for the rugs, the doormats, today I will wash them with the washing machine. Since I'm normally alone in this house, I just use brush to wash them. But since we had visitors and they're very, very dirty, hey, I'm not gonna give myself. I'm not gonna stress myself. Look at that white duvet. That mat, I will not wash alone with my hands. So I'll just wash with the washing machine. That's my breakfast. Yeah, that's my breakfast. So let me go and soak mats. Then I come to finish eating my breakfast. So let me put these mats. I'm going to soak them before I put them inside the washing machine. So these are white mats, doormats. So these ones I'll just mix. Let me soak them. Because they're very dirty. Hey. So let me soak them with just plain water. And then I'll give it like 4 hours. Right now is I'll give them 4 hours to remove all the dirt, and then I'll come back, put them in laundry machine, washing machine. So let me put them. So meanwhile, let me put these towels here in the washing machine. So let me move this. So this one for the inside. I look for something heavy that is similar, so that Yeah, so let those towel wash. I will wash the doormats later. Then I'll come to this. Then I'll come to white towels. Yeah, see they are now reducing. These ones are not much. I'll just put them together. Yeah, not that many. And then I'll go and pick now the sheets. Yeah. So that one I wrote it down. So I'm going to dry those clothes. I'll dry those clothes. I'll put them in the hanger. Then I continue with the rest of my work. So the towels are rinsed. So they're dry. They're already ready. So I want to put the washing mats. So these are clean. I'll put now the mat. So I'm going to rinse the mat, the white mats. Then I put them in the washing machine. So these ones are not heavy. I've checked. So they'll not make the machine heavy. Yeah, this is not heavy. So I'll put these two first. Let's see. So I will wash them in cotton. Yeah, they are not that heavy. You can see them spinning. I was so worried that they will not spin. This is my first time to wash the doormats in the washing machine. Yeah, it's not that heavy, thank God. So I will I will hang this I will hang the I'll hang this towel, and then I continue with my work. Are already clean. I want to see how they look like. Oh, I want to see how they look like. Because this was my first time to wash mat. This was the first time to wash floor mat. It's okay. Yeah. That's good. This is good. It's better. It's better than washing with your hands. So I'm gonna wash even this. Yeah, all this I don't want to give myself that time. I just keep to. Yeah, so they're clean. You see, I'll not waste my time because I'm tired. Because I had visitors and these white mats were all over, so I don't want to give myself pressure like the way I normally live alone. If I live alone, it's okay because I used the mat for only 1 week or 2 weeks, and since I'm alone, I'm not that dirty. Yeah, it's a good experience, a very good experience. They're drying. This one can stay there for 4 days. I'm not in a hurry with them. Yeah, so I'm only remaining with that. Yeah, I'm not in a hurry. Almost done. I'm just remaining with this throwaway blanket and my mat. The mat are done. The mats are done. So let me remove the other mat I see. So clean. So I'm remaining with this blanket. And I'm done. So that is the only cloth I'm remaining with for today, that blanket. So it's now 6 going to 7 p.m. so I don't want to stress myself, but the house is clean. Yeah, so it's already 6:50. I'll just make tea, black tea. I'll just take bread with black tea because it's already late, and I don't want to stress myself to go downstairs to look for eggs, and I'm also tired. I've cleaned the house. Yeah, the house looks clean. You see this bed, this bedroom, the way now it looks like. So tomorrow or another day, I will spread the sheets. Those are the sheets. But for now, it looks good the way it is. Yeah. It's clean down here. Yeah. I've remembered I have pancake. So I'll take pancake with black tea. Yeah, that's okay. The bread, I'm not a fan of bread, so bread I'll eat tomorrow maybe to finish it. So that's how the kitchen looks like. Very clean. Yeah, the floor is clean. Everywhere is clean. Yeah. So what I'll do after finishing that blanket in the washing machine, I'm going to clean the washing machine and then to finish my day. The laundry area is also clean. Yeah. So that one blanket is the one finishing, then I'm done. Me, it's now 7 p.m. and I want to say thank you for watching my videos. God bless. See you on another time. Bye bye.